very impressed in the slalom because the car is changing directions very well for its weight and that, but it's not slow, and that's for sure.
Yeah.
And what power? But the biggest thing about these cars, in my opinion, is it's not the power you have; it's how well you put it down.
Yeah.
And that it's doing well, particularly considering the situation.
Yeah. I appreciate it.
And if you force my arms someday, I can drive it.